nice to meet you. My name is Deksi, and I'm one of the English teachers here in Cubictalk. It's so wonderful to be speaking to you today. I have been in this field for several years now, and I can tell you, teaching English as a second language is so exciting and enjoyable. It excites me because I get to use the language, which is one of the most important languages in the world, to communicate with people of different ages and different walks of life. English is used even in non-English speaking countries, in the field of business and tourism, so it's more challenging to teach its proper usage to students. Nonetheless, I believe that I have been successful in handling my students from beginners to advanced. Moreover, I've had more experience discussing about social issues, current events, and debatable topics to lots of adults. I like to be updated. You see, our world today has changed a lot. As compared to the lifestyle people have had before, ours is so complex. Advanced science and technology has made our lives easier. Take for example, chores have become lighter. Transportation has become faster, and even distant communication has become nearer. Not just that. Scientists have cloned animals. They have developed potent medicines to kill bacteria and viruses. They've also created vaccines to make people's immunity stronger. Yet, despite of these advancements, our world today is in chaos. Why did I say that? Every morning when you listen to the news on TV, there are killings everywhere. Disasters desolating residents and political conflicts among nation leaders. The world has become a world of controversies. One of them is what I'm going to talk to you about today, the so-called assisted dying. Have you ever heard about it? By definition given by Wikipedia, assisted suicide or assisted dying is a suicide committed with the aid of another person, a physician, knowingly and intentionally providing a person with knowledge or means or both required to commit suicide, including counseling about lethal doses of drugs, prescribing such lethal dose, and supplying the drugs. In layman's term, assisted dying is a process where a person wishes to end his life with the aid of medical professionals. How? Medical professionals like doctors or nurses are just there to watch or supervise the person take the lethal medication for him to end his life and for him not to prolong his agony before his time of death is announced. Of course, this kind of process is illegal in lots of countries. It's so controversial since it involves life. Life, they say, is a God-given gift, something so precious that we should be treasuring. But now it has become a conundrum. All over the world, people die. Every minute, people are born as well. But anyhow, we will look today about two institutes that cater this issue. We have Dignity in Dying, which is found in the UK, and another one, the Dignitas, which is found in Switzerland. Dignity in Dying is a wide campaigning organization campaigning for the greater choice a terminally ill patient can have, like ending his or her life neatly. Dignitas, on the other hand, does the same, but it doesn't just cater to terminally ill patients. It also caters to mentally disabled people, those with severe mental problems who wish to end their life neatly. If you're a lover of novels, you might have come across the novel written by Jojo Moyes called Me Before You. It tells about a story of a paraplegic man. Paraplegic, somebody who's paralyzed, cannot even move his arms, cannot move his legs. He's just confined in a wheelchair. And because of that situation he is in, he felt his life is worthless, so he opted for assisted dying. Well, what do you say about assisted dying? Has it ever occurred to you that your life is so precious? What would you tell those people who wish to end their life? Would you tell them to, hey, opt for assisted dying instead? It's such a big controversy since people have different opinions about it. But I'm going to leave you these questions today, and I want to hear your feedback. I want to hear your answer. Defend them as well, so we can have a wonderful discussion. Thank you so much for listening. This is Teacher Deksi from Cubictalk.